Strom and heavy rainfall triggered dangerous flash flooding and sudden landslide in Chile's Maule region on August 21, 2023, leaving a trail of destruction across communities. The hardest-hit areas were around the city of Talca, where overflowing rivers and landslides cut off roadways, destroyed bridges, and inundated homes. In the Putugan sector of Linares, the swollen Putugan River overflowed its banks, washing over the vital Putugan Bridge and leaving it impassable. Further west, the Lirsi River wreaked havoc when it overtopped its banks in Talca, flooding streets and the fiscal stadium. Raging floodwaters tore a bathroom and chicken coop off their foundations at one residence along the river. Meanwhile, the footbridge at Bulaleo collapsed under the pressure of the rampaging Lircay, isolating 10 families on the other side. A landslide in the Quinta Gaete area of Constitucion added to the chaos, while in Palmilla, the Batuco estuary rapidly rose, threatening homes. 5 people, including 2 children, had to be evacuated via helicopter by the Gope division of the Carabineros de Chile National Police Force. Across the region, residents faced harrowing conditions. Some 52 to 62 millimeters, 2 to over 2.5 inches of rain, fell in just a few hours, submerging cars and even trapping 20 vehicles in a flooded tunnel. Blocked and damaged roadways left communities cut off, with fallen trees and flooded homes adding to the perilous situation. Flooding was also reported in the El Carmen and Providence sectors of Talca, where the river Lircay isolated people and animals. Meanwhile, the Rio Claro also overflowed near Talca, further inundating the area. Along the Maule River, the route to Amarillo was blocked when the river swelled over its banks. Rescue crews have been working tirelessly to evacuate stranded residents and reopen damaged infrastructure. But with more rains forecast, the Maule region remains on high alert as communities brace for the possibility of additional flooding. This powerful storm system has unleashed havoc, but the people of Chile continue to demonstrate resilience in the face of natural disasters.